Okay. This is a demonstration of our exercise.
You can see this. Here, other way. You have your ankles, you have my shins. My shins a little closer up.
Okay. Okay, ready?
That's not it.
Okay.